National President Kaseng National People's Party Konrad K. Sangma ula Pynbna ya Kyrtong jong Dr. D.R.L Nonglait kumu Kyrtong Kaseng haki election shiteng samoy shagayeng dorbar thawan Lok Sabha kaban salong shen haki benai banwan. Kashuki MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Kalathlino hadian kajingklat kensan Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon haki benai telang balala. National President ke NPP ula Pynbna ya Kyrtong jong Dr. Nonglait hakmat kinong kershan ki bala lumlang krui haka nyau tarik jemang ha atat ke State Central Library Shillong. Hagani ke jingelang ladan lang kinong yalam rang ba ke NPP ki ba kentup yo ba Preston Tensong State President ba asnyo bhalang dhar ba Hamlet Bare ba Wailat Khubor State President Youth Wing ki ba hing hasemu Dr. Nonglait bat kinong kershan jong u. Hakajingkran hagani ke jingelang ubasnya balang dhar ulo kentu kinong kitkam ke parti bandon tangkawai ke jingmut kata banyak trelang kenang bakajela kan yo ya ubre ubala ban keren haluk Sabha. Nakaliang uba prestun ula kentu kipat ba ban net chela ki jong ki constituency ban pensngu thu ba ka kam ka basa menta kalong ban yo no kajing itu khmat ya ka ktien khasi bat garo haka kharnet ka bapra jong kariti sensyar kari India. Kumta ula kerpa de kinong kershan ke NPP ban yale do yap ban penjob yu Dr. D.R.L Nonglait hakani ka election shiteng samoy. Nakaliang National President ke NPP Konrad K. Sangma ulaong kidon ki parti ki ba mi surok bat thau jingkulmar ban pensngau ye ki mat jing dawa. Reina pedeng kine udan u Dr. D.R.L Nonglait u ba yeng halakanong rem ban poi syaka thong jing job. Nalor kata ulaong ru hakani ka election un longkum unong trei jong u Dr. Nonglait kum u President ke NPP. Pat lada don kam un hab ban lum syuki neta poster ru un le nagbenta jong uni u Kyrtong.
In yo manwan bansoi ya ke Kyrtong ke jong i ha kini ki kot kisla ki badon kam ban in long i de kot i papura jong ka NPP family. Pak Bro atau ini yo yang jing kapti.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your contribution.
At this moment, I request the National President, of course the State President, and Sir Nyauba as well, to kindly felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. The first to felicitate is the National President, National People's Party, Sir Konrad K. Sangma, who is also the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Preston Tensong. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Vice President NPP, Sir Snyao Palanghar, to felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. The next person to felicitate will be the President of National People's Youth Front, Sir Wailat Khubor. He is also the Minister. We also have, before we do that, we have Sir Hamlet to pick a badge of honor to Sir Nonglait. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Next, we will have Sir Khubor, who is the President for National People's Youth Front, to felicitate. We have the National Working our respected office bearers of the National People's Party, of the National Committee, as well as of the State Committee, and all members of the National People's Party from different frontal organizations who have come here to be part of this general body meeting. I welcome each and every one of you to this very, very important meeting. Second, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the party to welcome Dr. Nonglait to the National People's Party family. Let's give a round of applause. I also would like to ask everybody to please stand up where we are so that we can once again welcome friends at this decision to make. And as has been proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election. Thank you very much.
You're from the same planet, sir. I'm also the Nonglait. Yeah, he's also double. Yeah. We are brothers.
Pynbna bro. Mentang lebih Khubor baru bagi privilege semua Syah kini giant street di pelabuhan ini. Din yo. voice also. Abiang very slow sedin. Abiang baru meladin tongnya semua. Long live on the MPP at the top of your voice. Tak sur pecah. So, license laivat. Kali bawa nak. Thank you bawa nak. License. Long live MPP. And sedin sudah. Saya sian. Long live MPP. Long live MPP. Long live MPP. Harvard. 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 Please.
With camera, yeah, with camera.
Anyway. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you.
Thank you.